Hello friends, my name is Neha. I represent oRRbitSoftware and today we are here to cover printing management software. Just to give you an overview to help you to achieve your day-to-day task, I'll be trying to give a small and very brief overview of how this can be helpful to achieve your task easily in very efficient manner. This is our printing management software and it is completely offline. In this software, you can add the company details here. You have to enter the company name, country, state, city, address, PIN number, mobile number. You can see the star marks here. These are the mandatory field which you have to fill. And if you want to add the company bank details, you can add the company bank details here. And if you want to upload logo, you can upload the logo of your company from upload button. Then you click on the save button so that the company details will be registered in the software. Then in taxes, you can add the taxes like CGST, HGST and IGST. So click on that. You have to enter the tax percent here. As you can see, I have added and make it as a default. Like this, you can add SGST and IGST. And in the item, you can add the item here from the new item button. You have to enter the item name, narration, HSN code, unit and category. Then click on the save button to save the item here. Then in customer details, you can add the customer details here from the add customer button. You have to enter the customer name, mobile number, address, and you can add the other required field. Then click on the save button to save the customer details here. Then in invoice number pre-format, you can add the pre-format of sale invoice and estimate invoice. Then click on the save button so that this pre-format will show you before the invoice when you generate. In a sale, you can add the sale record from the new sale button. If you have not added the item in the software, so you can add the new item from the new item. Here you have to enter the details, then click on the save button. Then you can select the item here. You have to enter the customer name, mobile number, invoice date, select it, then enter the address, mail ID and GST number. Then you have to enter the item name, narration. You can add the size in length, width and height. Then click on the add button to add the size of the item. Then you have to enter the quantity, unit price, unit, HSN code, then select the GSTs here. Then amount will automatically show you. Click on the add button to add the item detail, and if you want to add the discount, you can add discount, you can add other charges, you can round off the total amount, and for the payment you can select the add payment. Here you can see the payment type, which is cash, credit, debit, credit card, check, bank transfer, internet banking. You can select any of them and the total amount will show you in a receive amount. And if you select credit, then you have to enter the 0 in amount received, then the total amount will show you in a due amount. Then you can select the due date when the payment type is credit, and you can see here the amount detail will show you, and you can enter the place of supply and note for the customer. Then click on the preview button to save the sale details. And in estimate bill, you can give a quotation or estimate bill to the customer. So click on the new estimate bill button. Here you have to select the date, enter the customer name, mobile number, bill name and address. Then enter the item name, narration, size according to the length, width and height. Then click on the add button so it will show you the total. Then you can enter the quantity, unit price, unit and amount will automatically show you. Then click on the add button, and if you want to add discount, you can add discount here, other cost. You can round off the total amount. The amount details will show you here, and for the payment you can select the add payment. Then here you can select the payment type, which is showing here, and after that you can enter the note for the customer. Then click on the preview button to save the estimate bill. Let me show you the bill, which will print like this. This is the estimate bill. You can see here it is showing the details, and let me show you the sale bill. Which will print like this. You can see here it is showing all the details. And from the account section you can enter the payment details if someone had paid. So click on the new normal pay button, enter the name here, mobile number, address, then select the payment date and time, then enter the payment amount, then enter the description, then click on the save button to save the normal payment details here. And in a receive you can enter the details of the payment receive. So to add the details, click on the new normal receive button. You have to enter the name, mobile number, address, select the receive date, time, and enter the receive amount and description, then click on the save button to save the normal receive record. In a day book you can check the receive amount, purpose and paid amount according to the date, and how much amount is balance, opening balance and net balance you can see here, and you can print the day book. And in a ledger you can check the date and name wise ledger of any person, which will show you the how much amount you have received, paid, and the purpose of that. And you can see the balance, opening balance and net balance here, and if you want to print you can print the ledger. In a manage you can back up the data in a local drive and in a cloud or mail. You can restore the data. Admin can change the username and password from here. You can set up the email in the software. So this is our software. I hope you will like this video. Have a good day.